$10 million empire built from the ground up, a fleet of luxury cars, and a career that proves hard work pays off. This is Redman, the legendary rapper whose hustle goes far beyond music. From his rise in hip-hop to making smart investments, Redman has turned his passion into lasting wealth. Let's dive into the remarkable journey of one of the most influential and entrepreneurial figures in the world of hip-hop. Born Reginald Reggie Noble in Newark, New Jersey, Redman faced the challenges of a rough neighborhood where survival came first. But his passion for music set him on a path that would change his life forever. Discovered by Eric Sermon of EPMD, Redman's breakthrough came with his debut album What? The album in 1992. With hits like Time for Some Action, Redman quickly became one of the most respected names in hip-hop. His career continued to soar through successful albums like Muddy Waters and collaborations with Method Man, solidifying his place as a household name in rap. His success in music provided the foundation for his growing empire. Redman may not flaunt his wealth like some of his peers, but his real estate investments are smart and impactful. Although he remains low-key about his assets, it's known that he owns multiple properties, including a notable home in Staten Island, where he has chosen to live in a modest 2-bedroom house. Unlike others in the industry, Redman's focus has always been on stability and comfort over extravagance. However, his choice of location and his ability to purchase and maintain properties demonstrate his savvy approach to building wealth in the real estate sector. While Redman is known for his humble lifestyle, he still enjoys a tasteful car collection. His fleet includes high-end vehicles like the Lamborghini Gallardo and Mercedes-Benz S-Class, both symbols of his success without being over the top. These cars are not just luxury items, but they represent Redman's journey from an underground artist to a mogul in his own right. His cars, like his music, reflect his style, sophisticated but not flashy, representing his evolution in both personal and professional life. Redman's hustle doesn't stop at music. He's also built a strong portfolio of business ventures. He ventured into the fashion world with a 420-themed apparel line, tapping into the growing cannabis culture. This savvy business move showcases his understanding of emerging trends and his ability to monetize his brand. His other ventures, including appearances in video games and partnerships with various brands, help him diversify his income streams and build an empire that extends beyond music. With his rise in music and business, Redman has secured lucrative endorsements and assets. From commercials to partnerships with brands in the cannabis industry, his endorsements reflect his status as a cultural icon. Additionally, Redman's music royalties continue to provide consistent income, contributing to his $10 million net worth. His assets also include valuable brand partnerships, allowing him to leverage his fame for financial growth. These moves solidify his position as an influential figure in both the entertainment and business industries. Redman's journey from a rough neighborhood to building a $10 million empire is a testament to his talent, determination, and entrepreneurial spirit. From his iconic music career to his smart business ventures, Redman has turned his passion into long-term success. His empire continues to grow, showing that with hard work and the right mindset, anyone can rise to the top. Thank you for joining us in exploring the extraordinary empire of Redman. His story is proof that staying true to yourself while building your wealth can lead to greatness. If you're inspired by Redman's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the lives of today's business moguls. See you in the next video.
DJ Scratch. In the early 90s, I was out in Albany Projects. Raps I was writing was built for Pyrex. Even Big Daddy Kane know I ain't